We made it. Took long enough, but we made it. The other one was a 130 size, this is a 110. It's deep here.
Bury my bones at the foot of this hill.
Uno. God, he's dark. Little fat one. If I get like a couple or two or three, gotta try and retie your buzzbait back on. That one was probably 14 if we want to keep a rough count. Area always does look good because there's current here. Doesn't have a lot of the times is current. Stagnant water equals minimal bites. I wish we had a depth finder. Wow, actually it is not very deep here. That fish was in a little bit of water though. It was deep back there.
If there's one thing I want, it's to be left alone.
I might be able to send that. Do you want to just send it? What is it? We're fine. Cool. Oh, we got that. Send it! I told you. Damn it. Oh, you're gonna have to pick me up. Everyone angel. Actually easier than I thought it'd be. I think some of the other ones are a little more gnarly though, you know.
With the rest of the pieces.
What do you think? Are we gonna get stuck on this one too? Oh. Don't let her jump out. Okay, come on. Cigarette smoke and Adderall. We're gonna get sucked through. Oh shit. Oakley, come here. Oakley. Come on. Come here. Oh. Oh shit. Honestly might not get stuck on this one. You see how high the water is over that lip? We got stuck. We're bottomed out. Alright, just be careful, that shit's gonna be slick. Oakley, come here. Come here. Yeah, get on that thing and then just hop over. Oh shit. About to go surfing. There it goes. Woo! Oh. Anything for the bass. We're home free. We just gotta catch some now. Yikes.
And I just heard you say, just heard you say, just think of all the things I do for you.
Yeah. Were you with us when we played Zebos and it was like 110 last summer? Dude, the air quality was so bad in the yeah, they're like, don't go outside. Ooh, I got one. Oh, it's a good one too. He was like, oh, look what's in his gullet. Get you a Texas rig with a, yeah, get a craw on. I can't believe they're on the bottom, but they must be. Like, there's no other reason why we're not getting bit. Finally a decent one. Scared? Come here. She's scared of fish now, look. Oakley, come here. Come here. Seven woman. 29.6. We got 35, Angel.
You never knew just what you did to me. It's getting blurry, kinda hard to see. I think it's time we stop this running in circles, round and round.
Got one. That's a good one, dude. Not sure what it is. It's a bass. It's not that big, I don't think. No, it's just this rod. I can't control it. Not bad. Pescado. Oakley. Here. Look. 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 She's not on the she's not on the bass game anymore. She doesn't like him. What do you think about that? Yeah, no. She's trying to be resourceful. I'm honestly surprised that fish stayed on as long as it did, because when I tried to set the hook, the drag literally just slipped and it swam sideways, and I lost complete tension on the line. Like, it was just freely swimming. And so I'm sure it shook the barb out, and then it was just a little bit of pressure that was keeping it on, and then when it came up and jumped, it just spit it. It might have not even ever got the barb in him. course he'll never come off. He's a fat little booger though, isn't he? That's a future 5-pounder, right? Oakley, do you care still? No. No, she doesn't. That would have been 5. Yes! Good God, dude. You about slapped me in the face with that.
What the? I didn't have my camera on.
Because it tried to steal it right when you were taking it, like getting it into the boat. Dude, you boat flipping him and you've got like 6 inches of line out. Man, that bums me out. Are you kidding me? Thursdays for Rockin' the River. They had that thing. That was such a cool setup on Saturdays. Hopefully it might just be like one day. Oh. Stay down faster. Oh, stay down. Yeah. Right through the bottom lip. How does that happen? Got him. That's like the same size as the last one I caught. You see where the normal water line is? It is this deep. That's how deep it is from there to the bottom of that. What is that? 10 foot?